This is a blizzard, October, 97. We got about 2 feet of snow. We just lifted up our garage door and you can see all the snow there, and there's my truck. And it's just a big mess out there. We'll show you more later.
Here's our backyard. Here's our backyard. Here's the shed. It's over the handles now. And there's Rick. And Remington won't take a step out here. Here's the front yard. We got a stalled car over there. It's been there for about an hour now. This is our front yard. There goes Rick and Remington.
Now you see Remington? Now you don't.
Rim!
See him?
Yep.
Get him coming inside.
He made it! Yay!
You got
Daddy didn't make it though.
Come here.
Go get him, Rim.
Come here, Rim.
Go get him.
Remington, help me. I'm falling. I can't get up. Remington, come here.
He,
Come here.
he ain't moving. He wants to go in.
Come on, come here. Comfortable. It's cold shit.
Here's Rick shoveling his first snow. He's already huffing and puffing, and that's all he's done. We got a lot to go. But it is a beautiful day. We've got a long way to go. Did we get lucky or what? Check this out. We have a snowmobile that came by. Yay!